G'day brahz, and welcome to a brand new muzzing tutorial. Today we're going to be taking you through some cheeky new moves, some skits, combinations that you can bust out at your next festival like a mad dog. And quickly before we begin, this is not a real serious tutorial brahz. If you're learning muzzing moves from a guy in a bucket hat and bright pink sunnies, you got to take this a little bit less seriously, alright? It's all about having fun and having skits time, so without further ado, let's get our fucking muzz on, brah.
It's fucking Zyzz, man! And I'm coming at you, bro!
Cheeki Breeki,
Thanks very much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you picked up one or two cheeky muzz moves to show off to the LB or LG of your dreams. Make sure you subscribe to the Slendy Show down below if you have not done so already. We got heaps of skits times going on the channel. We'd love to have you on board. And make sure you check out Slendy Media on Instagram and the Slendy Show on Snapchat for bonus behind the scenes skits times footage. Well, we're out of here to have a bit of a muzz. See you on the dance floor next time. Catch you later. Today, we're going to be taking you through some brand new combinations, couple new moves, and maybe even a couple cheeky pingers.